Welcome back to my vlog. O, di ba hindi nyo kinaya? Consistent na ako. Tara, manood tayo Miss Universe and Aurora Day 2. Let's go! We are on the way.
Oh my God, it's so mahaba naman.
On.
I'm so proud of myself.
We are here already at, ano na to ate? Shell Residences. And naka-ready na po tayo. Let's go.
Fire extinguisher tayo.
Saan ang rampa mga sis?
Philippines semi-finalist in 11 years, now in 1999. And during
Moa Arena Philippines! We are about to call our top 24!
let's hear it for Big Ben.
Lumabas kami saglit because we are getting food. But I want to show you quickly my outfit. As of the moment, swimsuit competition na. Kumakain lang kami. We'll just grab food. Gutom na ang mga tao.
And the first into the top 12 is Sultan Kudarat. And the second, Quezon Province.
Take your place in the top 12! Laguna!
The next half begins with you. Muntinlupa. Take center stage. Cebu City.
Last two guys, last two.
Iligan City!
Last na to, last na.
And completing the top 12 and is still running for the crown is Sinaloa Laguna.
Wala na guys, wala na yung pambato natin.
When I see you. beauty queen is a public figure whose life is under constant scrutiny. As a beauty queen, how do you maintain your authenticity amidst the expectations of the public?
As I've gotten older, I've learned that the most important thing is the posture of your heart. You have to ask yourself, am I putting out the best version of myself into the world? And is that something that is helping other people? I don't think there's a reason that we have to live on this earth if we're not impacting people positively. And so I hope all of us can move forward, take people next to us, and move to a better place in our society, because as Filipinos, we can place love above all.
They say that a good leader leads by example. Tell us about one event in your life when you led by example and the impact it made.
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on this stage to be Miss Universe Philippines, because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream, and she passed away early this year. And this is my ode to her.
So far, ang pinakamagandang sagot ay kay We love her accent.
Look at
Break po muna tayo. Malalaman na natin kung sino yung mananalo in a while. Pero ihina muna ako.
more time. Is everyone ready?
Agad-agad!
Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is... The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is Quezon Province! Our new Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Everyone do!
Congratulations.
He is... Ayan, nagtanggal na po. Hindi na kaya talaga. Sobrang pagod at haggard na. Sakta ng mata. Inaantok na ako. Nagpaapaan na. Kami naman ay nagtutulungan. Get it ready with me. And now, kukuhanap po tayo ng pagkain dahil nagugutom na ang mga persons. So true. Nag-trip to Jerusalem muna si Kuya naman kasi I finally reached our Airbnb and magtatanggal na tayo ng makeup while I debrief about what happened today. So, I woke up at 11 a.m. today and that is fairly new to me because usually nagigising talaga ako ng around 6 a.m. maaga and then I'll fall asleep. Black out talaga yung curtain. Isa kabawi ako ng sleep. I decided to go ng 4 p.m. service sa Victory BGC. Sobrang OA ng angkas. Kakabook ko lang, mayroon na kaagad. So, this is my fit.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
Sorry. Yan. Nilagyan ko lang ng jacket because medyo mababa ang ating neckline. Kaya medyo church appropriate. So, it's a Saturday and we're going to church. Because no excuses. Meron tayong bubuntahan tomorrow. Sana payagan mo. Yes po. Guys, I have arrived and hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta pero sundan ko na lang tong mga to. Ayun o, every Mason.
Gusto mo sa amin?
Sige.
Sige.
I really love it when there's high worship pa rin. You can really feel the presence of the Lord like moving. I love the message earlier and I was so impressed kasi nagpa-PowerPoint si yung pastor kanina and may mga nabaptize pa earlier. Such a fun experience kahit ang init. Nag-angkas lang ako papunta at pabalik. I went to MOA to meet up with sa mga kasama ko, sila Ate Loy, sila Kat. We ate sa Shake Shack for merienda kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. We went back to BGC. Nahihihi na ako, pero hindi ko rin alam kung saan kami pupunta. I kind of want my pictures to be taken, but hindi na ako nakapagpalit. Nahanap ang nasa na tayo, nasa na sila. Saan sila? Saan sila, te? Ano sila? Saan? Ay. Kung saan kasi nakatingin. Ano bang pinunta natin sa BGC? Kumain ng Korean something. Trying out. Kidum yung gusto. Trying out this one, the spicy one. Stay sa dila yung anghang. Powder. Oh, bakit? Oh, kita na. Grabe. Dito siya prende. Tingnan. Grabe.
Uy, totoo. Paano yan?
Hindi niya makuha. Hindi kaya.
Napaka-cinematic.
No. Warning ka naman. Hindi yung bigla parang ko na alam kung saan next pupunta, but they're planning to chill and get some drinks. But I think I'm gonna pass on that. Sasama lang ako.
What's that, by the way? Sea salt butter cookie. Lasang butter. Na may sea salt to sa top. So, how would you rate it? Out of 10? 7? 6?
7. That's from
Harlan and Holden.
And ano yung kinuha mong combo?
They're both sea salt, so...
Ah, okay. Is it complimenting or no? Masarap naman.
Yeah.
Nag-konting get-together lang. They had drinks. And I tailed along and I just got myself watermelon shake. The watermelon shake was humongous. Nagkaroon kami ng konting games. Insert the clips.
Your anxiety.
Suit.
Two words.
Suit. Suit and tie.
Yeah!
Oh.
Red hair yung ano kumakanta.
Hindi ko alam.
Kaya nang umuwi and I decided to come along with my ate. Nasa kabilang tower siya. Naguhulap. Please, mamaya may meron. Now guys, I have to find my way back to Tower A or Tower B? Tower A ata. Hinatid ko lang muna si Ate Win kasi she's sick and wala siyang kasama. Walang pumunta dito. Wala siyang kasama. So, ang oras na, time check, it's 2:47. This is how I look. Maglalakad pa tayo. Mag-isa ko ngayon dito sa condo unit. Napagod ako guys. Alam niyo ba yung parang after a very long time na hindi ako lumalabas or walang ganun na social events. Like lumabas yung pagka-hyper ko. After 10 minutes, I completely shut down. Nanahimik na ako. That's so weird. Sabi, baka nagmamasking lang daw ako or it's really part of my ADHD na nagka-crash out daw. Adrenaline drop. Anyway, I don't like to understand myself, lahat na lang ng ano ko, tendencies ko. Good night na guys. Sobrang pagod na ng tao na to. Bye. Packing our bags.
Check nyo nga kung malinis lahat.
Zoe, I uploaded na our video.
Hindi ko nakita.
Ayaw mo nagva-vlog ako, tas mamaya, where is my vlog? Where is my vlog? This villa has its own pool. Tignan natin ang
Bedroom nila. Aray ko. Ito ang master's bedroom. Wow! 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 Dito na tayo mag-get ready. Ganda! Ingit pa. Ingit pa. Dito kami before. And dito tayo kakain. Aya. Food for all.
Hanggang bukas din. Ano
Allah! Happy Fiesta!
Happy birthday!
Tata. Binagoong ano may kaldereta. Beef steak. Naka-workout na kami. Dress ready for Aurora Day 2. This is mine. And then this top that I got from Shein so that it matches my... Next is this belt from Shein. Oh dear. Ganyan. Talagay tayo nito.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ano po yon?
Ito, can you see?
Nakakainis lang because this is not matching.
Oh, so nakakainis na sa
At
akin.
ito. And then I'm gonna use this.
Bakit? I wanna wear your necklace.
Pwede naman, siguro. And then this. Wait, I love it. Oh my gosh.
Love ko.
Boots. Do we lose the hat or do we keep it? I don't want to lose it. This is the final fit. Bye! Like tattoo, tattoo, tattoo. If you like my bake twice, we are finally walking to the entrance of the festival. Kasama sila. Sabi, kakatapos ang ni Floji ata. This is the look, by the way. Kinapalan ko talaga ang makeup at ang lipstick para kitang-kita siya kasi night makeup naman. Hopefully, hindi sobrang sasakit hopefully, hindi sobrang sasakit yung paa natin. Because may konting heels tayo. I think 2 inches to. Hindi na talaga ako sanay na mag-heels. Ganda.
Ang init.
Who is your bias?
Sheena and Mika.
Ay, nadagdagan.
At si Maloy.
Not Colette.
May
Colette
akong
is my bias. And
Colette.
yeah, Colette. Colette favorite girl. Where's my Colette? Where's my Colette? Colette!
Tutuwag muna kayo.
True.
Balita ko marami daw dito namumula sa mga red flag. Sino dito mahilig sa red flag? Sumigaw! Give our loudest clap. Dionello!
Sobrang galing ni Dionella. I don't get the hate. Grabe yung stage presence niya. Grabe ang stage presence ng isang Dionella. Ang galing, ang galing.
Palakpakan niyo naman si Maisie, everyone. Siya yung kantang daw kanina, you know. Natatandaan niyo ba yung chorus nung kinanta ko? Kung nasa dulo ng baghari. Tandaan niyo, everyone? Yeah. Ito yung part niya sa song na yun. Listen carefully.
Ako ang nasa dulo ng bahay. Langit ay nakita sa aking labi. Pwede mo kong makinig. Tunay rin ang pagtingin. Kahit kailan hindi naging kunwari. Puso kong ikaw lang ang may-ari. O ay di na aalis. Wala nang bagong darating.
Some noise from Maisie, everyone! Nagkita ko nito mamaya.
Tagal. Hot shot running in my mind. Pangatlo na yun. Pang-apat na.
This one's for you.
Hot shot.
Sabi.
Sining. Ikaw ang sisining sa masay. Si Bay kinanta. Sana meron yung ano. Sana meron yung hot shot running to my mind.
Ready? This song is called Money
Marila, ang iwalay sa'yo ibibig pa. Makaka-copyright din ba yung ganito-ganito?
Ang ibig sabihin ng I see God in your faces, listen. Whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, whenever you feel at home, whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there.
Ayokong maniwala.
What's up, Aurora Day 2? Pero hanggang pinakadulo, grabe yung energy nyo, guys. Yun yung fuel sa amin para galingan namin lagi sa performances namin. Yeah. Kaya maraming salamat.
Inaantok na ang... Oh, hold mo dito. Lagay mo. Go, Lali! Mukhang lyrics ni Guac Princess.
And I don't know why, ako nakakanta kasi ang audio naman ay
Ba't si Manoy. Uwi na po tayo at sobrang daming tao. Parang malulunod ka sa tao, ganung level.